Attorneys David Siegel and Jesse Barrientos discuss divorce and family law. Be sure to stay tuned because at the end of this short video, you will have the opportunity to request a free copy of their book, Divorce and Family Law: Who Has the Legal Right When Things Go Terribly Wrong?
There are various forms of custody. Generally, people talk about joint custody and sole custody. Sole custody means that the parent who doesn't have the physical possession of the child most of the time, okay, the parent who doesn't have that, is not going to have any input in the kind of general decisions of the upbringing of the child, like religion, school, activities, those kinds of things.
So if I'm hearing you correctly, sole custody puts all of the burden, or the duty rather, on the person who has the child for the health, education, religious training, extracurricular activities, everything.
They call the shots, that's right.
And the non-custodial party, the party who has visitation, has no say in the day-to-day decision-making or even in the important events. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So sole custody would not be a good situation for, let's say, a father who wants to be involved in the decision-making. That father is not going to want sole custody with the spouse.
Right, that's true. However, there are some other things that we need to look at. Let's look at the opposite side of that coin, and that would be joint custody. Joint
Sure.
custody means the opposite. It means the non-custodial parent, the person who doesn't have the physical possession or residential custody of the children most of the time, does have a say-so in the day-to-day decisions, does have a say-so in the upbringing of the child with respect to the activities, with respect to religion, with respect to schooling, and all those kinds of things. However, joint custody is only for people who can get along as it relates to the children.
That's right. I also want to clear up this misconception that joint custody means each party has the child an equal amount of the time, and that the child or children are being shuffled from house to house because they have joint custody.
Call now to request a free copy of the book, Divorce and Family Law. You may also call to schedule a free initial consultation, 847-520-8100, 847-520-8100.